My name is Margaret Richards. I'm a Continuous Improvement Manager in Interface. We are the global leaders in design and manufacture of carpet tile. Over the past few years, our customer choice has changed, and this has had an impact on our performance on the machines. There are more changeovers, therefore less capacity to run products. So we really needed to review all our processes within the factory with a view to amending them to the current situation and potentially future situations and future opportunities.
One of the issues we identified early on with the teams was that it was taking too long to change over from one product to another. We trained 3 of their team leaders in single minute exchange of dies, and that's basically taking them through a process of trying to understand the time it takes from setting up the machine with one product to another product. And how do we judge impact? It's gone from taking up to 50% out of the changeover time, which equates to about over £2 million worth of extra capacity. So not an insignificant piece of impact on a very basic tool.
Really, you're looking at your process from start to finish and trying to identify areas of waste. That can be waste in time, waste within a process, it can be movement waste. For us here, particularly a poignant one would be yarn waste. Yarn, for instance, is one of the most valuable and costly resources we have on site, so it's extremely important we look at all avenues of waste around that and try to reduce or eliminate them. Key ingredient within Lean for us was the engagement of our workforce. We wished to bring them with us on the journey from the beginning, and we wanted to utilise their skills and knowledge. In the last year, we have seen benefits across the board, mainly through some specific projects like SMED changeover and tracking the flow within our process so that we had yarn more quickly in the right place at the right time. We've had a 10% increase in OEE in the past 12 months, and our off quality has reduced by 20% since 2012 through to 2014. One of the other major gains would be around the employee engagement. We've had a culture change. We have seen more involvement from our operators, keen to be involved, full of ideas and willing to avail of new training and new opportunities for their own self-development.
We've trained all of their operators on quick changeover. That was only on 3 machines. We've now moved on to another 3 machines and are applying the same approach. And so now we have a structure with them where they identify projects and then we click into some activity with their team leaders. They have a leadership team who can see the opportunity. Whenever they make £2 million impact on their first project, they're very keen to move on to the next.
I would fully recommend working with the productivity improvement team to anyone. Tapping into that level of skill and knowledge has been really beneficial. You have outside eyes coming in and offering you positive feedback. I am fully committed to continuous improvement, and the Lean methodologies allow all individuals within the factory to share the journey, to share the learning, to offer solutions, driving out waste in our process, and I think everyone in the company has a part to play in that.